China's coffee consumption is surging. More and more people are starting their day with a freshly brewed cup.
A perfect brew begins with a perfect cherry. Let's head over and see where it all begins.
This is a coffee plantation in Baoshan, southwest China's Yunnan province. Growers are embracing the busiest time of the year.
今年的这个咖啡的这个收成怎么样？你觉得？
好，太结了。
Yunnan's high altitude climate and rich soil provide ideal conditions for arabica coffee, making it home to over 98% of China's coffee production. According to the Provincial Agricultural Department, raw bean production reached 146,000 tons in 2023, continuing its steady growth. For decades, however, Yunnan's coffee was primarily sold as low-cost raw material to international brands.
During a low period, raw coffee beans were priced at only 3 or 4 yuan per kilogram. Even at the peak, the price only reached a little over 30 yuan.
But things are changing.
今年采出来就是400公斤。
400。
对，这就是归校。
Of course, this represents only a small segment of the market, but it signals a broader shift from commodity coffee to high-end specialty beans. But varietal improvement is just the first step. Local growers are also refining farming techniques, such as adopting integrated water and fertilizer irrigation systems. And the ways the beans are processed are also evolving.
This is the sun-drying method. Fresh berries are picked, washed, and then directly dried in the sun. Through this process, the coffee beans develop a wine-like flavor.
Ding Zhi, a cafe owner, has taken his passion for coffee a step further. He recently launched a coffee estate in Baoshan, integrating cultivation, processing, sales, and cultural experiences.
I run a coffee shop, and I've met people from all over the world. They all have high praise for Yunnan coffee. I believe more people will start growing coffee.
And this mode of creating coffee estate is actively supported by the local government.
We launched a project called the 1,110,000 Project. What does that mean? We aim to create 100 coffee estates, connecting 1,000 coffee shops on one end and 10,000 coffee farmers on the other.
The government believes this approach will nurture a strong and sustainable industry chain. And this coffee estate just embodies that vision. Originally launched in 2000 as a primary processing factory, it has since developed into a large complex offering a range of services. Here you can find a variety of products, from beans to drip and instant coffee.
Our total sales in 2023 reached 85 million yuan.
Enthusiasts can also learn how to make a cup of pour-over coffee and discover fascinating facts and traditions.
What we're showcasing here is the coffee life of local people in the past, including the tools they originally used to make and drink coffee, as well as the entire process.
With the joint efforts of the government, growers, and entrepreneurs, Yunnan's coffee industry is on a fast track to high-quality development, putting China's coffee on the map among international players.
I like it.
Nevertheless, industry experts say there's still much work to be done to ensure sustainable growth, including soil conservation, promoting mechanization, and adopting integrated farming practices.
Currently in Yunnan, we have a large area dedicated to rubber, European hazelnuts, and tropical fruits. If we manage to achieve even 30 to 40% of integrated ecological farming, our coffee cultivation area will have the potential to expand further.
From humble beginnings with commercial beans to a thriving specialty coffee scene, Yunnan's coffee industry is brewing success after decades of exploration. With China's coffee culture thriving, the best is yet to come.